Do we get audio now? No. Oh, yeah, now we should get audio. Ah, god damn it. So I talked forever without it being recorded. I'm such a professional. Well, thanks for the hint. Anyways, what we're trying to implement is an issue from the issue tracker. And before that, I did a full walkthrough of the code base, which is now just a screen recording. I'm amazing. Anyways, let me get back to the fucking thing. Thanks for mentioning that. Does it delete the entire line? Yeah, that's a good question. Let me just check what's happening. Ah. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, basically hacking on my coding agent Pi using my coding agent Pi, which you can see here. And basically just going through a bunch of these issues here, trying to tick them off. Currently we are working on control command backspace to delete things. Interestingly enough, so I'm currently trying out what Visual Studio Code is doing. So in VS Code, command plus backspace deletes the current line. Does it delete the current line? No. Deletes everything to the left of the cursor. Current line. Option plus backspace deletes to divert the cursor. And I just explained earlier, I'm not using my voice transcription thing because I get hoarse doing that. So yeah, left the cursor with white space and punctuation being the stop characters. What happens if we do this at the chip? If we do either the beginning of a line, it just smokes the front of it. Makes sense. Yeah, that's the question. What are the escape sequences for the keys? Word boundary definition, white space, space tab, new line. Punctuation basically, that's not alphanumeric or underscore. Yeah, I don't know, actually. Doesn't much understanding. Should I start? Yeah, let's look at the escape sequences. I guess the best thing we can do is just set up a minimal program in TUI /test /keycodes.ts that sets up a basic TUI with a simple component that receives the inputs when focused, and that just logs out the key codes that get emitted. Does it make sense? That way I have something I can use to type things and report the key codes to you. Well, I'm using transcription now because I'm lazy. TUI test key tester. God damn you, Claude, you fucking moron. Read, what's it called? Packages, TUI, readme. Of course it does have set focused. What the fuck are you going on about? Yeah, it's actually pretty amazing how much faster this is than Cloud Code. Like for the simple read here, it would have probably waited forever. What I still need to do is pass through. No, actually, that I have. What I still need to do is pass through intermediate tool results so they can stream into the UI as well. But honestly, I don't care too much usually. Why would you do this? Perfect keys is working. Now you can run it. Okay. Option Alt. Well, that did a thing. Command backspace. Wow, this is bad. Regular backspace. Okay. Oh, now we also need Alt. What the fuck is Alt on here? Well, Alt is basically Option. So Command, Control. Are those the same on Windows? I don't remember. It's been a while. I guess you would expect Control on Windows and Linux instead of Command. Well, let's see. I wonder if it's the same in Ghosty. It should be the same in Ghosty. Command backspace, zip and backspace. Is this the same? Nope, it's not the same. Amazing. So I probably mistyped something. Oh god, I can't exit this. This is amazing. Kill terminal. Chip. Let's see, let's test it here again. Command backspace. Option backspace. Oh my god, it's actually different. How in the fuck? Oh Jesus Christ. This is terrible. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that makes sense that it's based on character codes and goes the option backspace is key backspace is the proper alt option modifier sequence same as is it the same? Yeah, it's the same. 7F. So I guess we need to handle both of these. Yeah, let's see. Terminal app. Yeah, that won't work. Let's make it bigger. Command backspace. Oopsie. Oh, command backspace does nothing in the terminal app. It just freaks out. Control backspace. Oh, it's the same. Interesting. Okay, for good measure, let's try iTerm. Interesting that there's a difference here. I would have expected they all handle keyboard input events the same. Command backspace does nothing. Interesting. Option and control. Interesting. Let's see that this iterm2 does this. Backspace does nothing. So I guess we could, let's see. Actually, I need to make this. I need to do this in a more sensible way. Okay, command backspace does nothing. Option backspace is this, and control backspace is this. Okay. Let's see, command backspace does nothing. It's amazing. Option and control emit the same thing. Oh my god. This is not going to be... Ah, Jesus. 2 and 3. Ghosty. Where is my ghosty at? Command backspace. Option backspace. Yep. God damn it. How can we... So... when you develop or work on Pi, you should start a new session in... Wait, why are there 2 sessions? Oh, yeah. You should run npm run dev in the background in another session. So everything gets rebuilt all the time. Then you can just use things immediately, which includes Pi itself. So I can restart this session with the new hotness. Ooh, let's see. Let me organize that. Nothing. Option backspace. Control backspace. Yeah, this is totally fucked. Maker's terminal is a bunch of bullshit. Ghosty 21 doesn't send anything. Probably to set video as a terminal for the purpose. Like, yeah, that makes sense. Optional backspace. Iterm2. Yeah, that's so fucked up. Since Control H, traditional backspace. This is fucked up. Yeah, let's go with the Unix stuff. What's the traditional Unix stuff for these operations? So let's see, option control. Does this work? Yeah, I guess this works. I'm not sure if we get... Man, terminals suck. Line deletions. Beginning offline to end offline, you already have this. Well, actually, I don't have delete cursor to end of line. I have it delete the whole line. Character deletion. Same as regular backspace. Delete character before cursor. Delete Control D on the cursor. Yeah, let's actually see if these work. Alt Option Backspace also didn't work by Ghost. Let's see. Control V. Wow, this is all kinds of fucked. I turn 2. Well, that's at least seems to be consistent. Ghosty. Yep, that's consistent. I just hate fucking Control V, W. So that's consistent. Control U, delete to start of line. Control U, 15. Yeah, that seems to check out. And Alt backspace is 7F. Huh. .7f in iTerm. God damn it, this is stupid. Why would you get an escape before the 7f? Huh. Yeah, I suppose. Doesn't work most terminals. Cheep, 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 cheep. What do we get for 21, 15? Yeah. God damn it. Actually, let's do something crazy. Kill, kill, kill. Need a new terminal. Close terminal. New terminal. And let's see what Cloud actually does. Test 2. I guess it does nothing. Okay. Control V does delete the last word. Oh, Command backspace deletes the whole line. Let's see what this does. Option V. Oopsie. Option backspace. Hey ho. Ah, this is fucking stupid. Jesus Christ. Text-based controls. Delete to start of line. Let's see if this actually works. I doubt it works. Control U. That works. Control V. Okay. That's consistent. For Control U, I guess. Control U. Yeah, we already checked that. Whoops. God. We are currently trying to add proper key sequence shit. So, Control U. Oh wow, that just fucks itself. Control U. Command U. Interesting. Who is going to Vienna tomorrow? Who is going to Vienna tomorrow? Software at odd. You are the cafe machine Geiger. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm not in Vienna. You have control over the deletes entire current line, not just to the end. Introducing use coordinates from the cursor to the end of line. Yeah, so control was K. Do we get this one? 21. That's good. So what you're doing in Wien? Let's see. Control A moves to start of line. Control. Oh, nice. Did you check out the 39C3 program? Anything worthwhile in there? Space tab, new line and punctuation. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Keep going through alphanumeric underscore. So that's one word. I actually wonder if that's the. Oh, god damn it. I like how Control U does nothing. Alt U, Alt backspace. Yep. Okay, that sounds fine. Do we get Alt backspace? Flowing with colleagues at the Wandel office. Ah, interesting. Are you related to the Wandel guys? I mean, not biologically, but are you a member of the party? Multi-line behavior. If a start line, delete the new line. Merge with previous line. Only deletes within current line, doesn't cross boundaries. Yeah, I wonder if that is what we want. I mean, Claude is probably not the best thing to test here. Maybe we should try Codex. Zip, 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 zip. Control U. Yeah, Control U deletes. No. Actually, Control K. What should it be? Member of the party. Interesting. What's the latest and greatest? Oh, Jesus, my fucking finger. What's the latest and greatest developments at the Wandel? Do you know? I suppose it's small enough so you know most of the people there. I had some contact with them when I did the grocery store price stuff. They seemed pretty nice and capable. Yeah, well, that was fun. It wasn't just me. It was also Shenya. So props to her, the actual linguist. Delete to start offline. Delete to end offline if cursor at last position in line merge with next line. Oh my god. First press. I need to fix this shit. Why is there a hello world test cursor to start now empty? Second press. Yeah, delete new line, merge with previous line makes sense. Control K, delete to the end of line. Hello world test at the end of new empty line, second press. Yep, that makes sense. Delete from wherever. Okay. Okay. Then I also want to see if we if you all checked in. Okay, this we can ignore the key tester. Let's keep the key tester. Delete from the start of line. Delete word backwards. Start a new line. Change from delete entire line to delete from cursor to end of line if and then delete new line. Merge with new already implemented. Move to start, move to end. Handle with parent. Clear the exit, backspace, delete characters, delete key, delete characters, forward. Good. This is not gonna work. I'm definitely gonna have to go in and fix it myself. Claude is really bad with stuff like that. Maybe I should ask GPT 5.1 and see if it can fix it. But let's let Claude work for a little. Let's see what it does. Read the full fucking file, my dude, because usually when it tries to guesstimate which lines to read, it doesn't read all the important bits, so then I intervene and tell it to read the entire fucking thing. And as you can see, the editor component is humongous. Editor component being this little fucker here. I know, Peter. The good thing is I can switch model anytime I want. But this is much faster than Codex, so I'm good. Okay. Seems like the check's passed. Sort of. Yep, looks good. Oh, come on. And yeah, that's the next thing I need to implement, queuing. It's in the core. I just need to wire it up in the UI. But yeah, perfect. Now let me create a summary. I don't need the fucking summary. Go fuck yourself. So npx tsx packages coding agent source CLI. Now we are running off source, and now let's see. I'm pretty sure this is fucked. This is fucked. Control U. Oh, this is fucked. Control Jesus fuck. W. Hey, this works. I'm impressed. Fucked. I don't think this is what I want. Let's see, Whoop. Nope, definitely not good. Oh god. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, nope, not good. Don't fear missing compaction. You have actual proper context usage stats down here. It's not so bad. And as I said, you can always switch to Gemini and just let it compact your 200k of context. I'm very old. I'm 120 years old. Okay. God damn it. I hate going in and having to fix this myself. So let's try. The problem is really I need to describe how it doesn't work to the fucking agent because I can't close this specific loop. I mean, it should compact for me. Yeah, possibly. Okay, let's just switch to GPT. GPT, do we have 5.1 in here already? Yeah. Didn't they release more of these? Oh, I can get them through OpenRouter. Why don't I have 5.1 codecs in the OpenAI list yet? God damn you, Dex. Is your model stuff not up to date? I'm using this and OpenRouter stuff and other model provider indices to get the models that are available from each provider. GPT 5.1 Codex Mini. Oh, only exposed via GitHub Copilot? What the fuck is this bullshit? Yesterday computers. I started at age 12. I think Peter started earlier than me. Could be wrong. Yeah, cool. Okay, so we could get it through Azure or through OpenRouter. Oh, fuck it. God damn it. Let's just go with 5.1. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let's revert this bullshit. What the fuck is this? Editor. Well, we were poor as well. Dad took it all from the office. Yeah, your dad is awesome. My dad used to steal metals and nets and basic materials so he could build us a tennis court and shit like that. Yeah, organized. Borrow, right? Paying it forward. Delete to end offline. So my thinking is I'm just gonna smack this. Why is there a modification to this shit? Ah, that was I guess I understand why. Pro free. Okay. Okay, so let's see if GPT 5.1 does better. All the changes you just made because it was broken. Please fix properly. Dear GPT 5.1 Mazeballs. Wow. Why is GPT 5.1 so fast? What the fuck's going on? Okay. I guess turning off thinking helps. Let's slow down and design the problem a bit for touching coding and propose the concrete it should stay. We want to add delete for breakout boundary behavior and vert mean. Delete from start to current line. Yeah, that's what my framework currently uses, I guess. I should enable thinking. Wow, what the fuck? This is so much text. Man, be more concise. I tried manually issues change behavior and also kept delete current line around and removed it. I jumped in word boundary logic quickly without validating end to end again. So yeah, I modified behavior. the new methods in one shot without first stabilizing just, I did the right thing reverting. Use a nice GPT. I don't need to compact. I only use 11% of GPT 5.1's context now. And this is my full session. This happens when you have like a minimal fucking harness. Let's actually... No, let's not use thinking. I hate it. The early potential issues. Okay, if the customer management you want, sure, go nuts. I need a better color for the component when it's in progress. Delete to end of line. Interesting. Yeah, I can already tell that this is broken too. What? ChatGPT refuses to speak Croatian? Why in the fuck would it do that? I mean, I know it probably also refuses slapping GPL headers onto files, but that's crazy. Handle forward delete. Yeah, this doesn't look right to me. Wow, it's so fucking wordy. Why in the fuck is it so wordy? I don't care for all of this shit. Why would you repeat back all the fucking code to me? Let's see. Okay, this is a test. Control U. That seems to work. This is a test. Control K. This works. This another. So Control K. Yeah, that works. And then Control K. Yeah, okay. Sorry, because in codecs it's not wordy enough. It barely talks. Yeah, let me present to you my system prompt. Let's see. System prompt. It's probably main. Nope. Wrong project. Main. Oh, system prompt. Build system prompt. Yeah, this is my system prompt. Because why complicate it when it can be small, right? So, OpenAI used the system prompt. Did you like the reply? And because of both, less training data. Oh wow, that's fucked up. Yeah, I guess Croatia is not a big market for OpenAI anyways. Yeah, me too. Me too. I have thinking mode none for years as well. So yeah, anyways, let's see. Good. What was this what I wanted? Yeah, this was what I wanted. Okay, let's do this little piggy test. Let's see. Compare how it works. Ah, god damn it. Control V. Nope, that's still wrong. Ah, god. Chip. So I guess Claude and GPT-5 arrived at the same solution, which is equally broken, which is amazeballs. Now we need to describe what the brokenness is. Control V. So we start at the end of the line, we control VW, and it just smokes all the things. It's crazy. Okay. That's my input cursor. This position think. Expected. Let's see, Control K should delete to the end of the line. Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? I pressed Command K, which is a... oh well, fuck it. Which deletes the fucking scrollback buffer in Visual Studio Code. Retarded terminal, fuck. Shit. Wow, it's really fast. This is crazy. What the fuck? I haven't tried 5.1 yet. I don't know when it came out, but this is nice. I like this. Why use a wordy? Write that before control input. Okay, let's fix the... yeah, rest in peace indeed. I'm just gonna fix this in the agents file instead of the prompt because I don't want to fuck with other people's workflows. Keep your answers short and concise and to the point. And then let's restart the session. Okay. There's summary instead of word salad, please. My transcription app is perfect as well. Welcome to the shitty world of software. Is that what they have in the codex system prompt? I wonder. I'm pretty sure I won't find it like that. Rename system prompt schema. Nope. System prompt. Ah, okay. Yeah, makes sense. Ah, there it is. There's a lot of words. Let's see, concise. The follows tone is concise, direct and friendly. You communicate efficiently. Dude, why is there no word wrap? What's this? Close symbols. Yeah, let's just go raw. Concise. Keep it concise. Be no more than one focused. Next steps. Oh, okay, yeah. I guess. Sharing progress updates. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, I guess. Can you change the system prompt in Codex? I guess you can. I mean, without recompiling. Although this is baked in, right? Nope, it's an MD file. Yeah. Okay. Ah, yeah, this works. Short version. Current behavior is intended. It's too aggressive. It leads across one. Given what I'll change for Crowley. Define word chars as... yeah, I don't... this is not good, my boy. Only to the left of the cursor. Delete a round of word characters to the left. This is fucked up. Dude, we just need to stop at any white space or punctuation. We merely need to define punctuation. God damn it, this was not what I wanted. Ah, fuck. Editor, what was the line we used for testing? Any will do. Let's do this one. So if I control W, this is just redonkulous. Control W kills like all things. Chip, control W, and then we get up. This is describe. It skips over white space like a madman. Interesting. No, it's a lot. I'm skipping my boundaries only up to them. Boundaries are white space or punctuation. Yes. Fucking do it. And now I wonder what what's here? Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of deletions. Yeah, this is not consistent at all either. That's funny. Can I get a no? Oh, wow. They have this. Okay, yeah, I guess. I don't remember how I can. Why did chat is actually still terrible? I'm not even sure if I ever chatted. Yep, it's terrible. That's why I built this little fucker here, so I can see you all in a nice and easy to read way instead of the garbage you have on the fucking website. Okay, so back to this. I did this. Yeah, this is super inconsistent as well. Look at what it actually deletes. What the fuck? So I guess nobody implements this properly. So this is good. I don't care in this case. What did you do? Yeah, can already see this is garbage as well. Let's see. This is, yeah, this is what I like. Good job, GPT 5.1. Good. I like it. Please update the README. Actually, I want to be specific. Coding agent README accordingly, as well as the change log. That way, just quickly check the diff. Yeah, don't care for this. We keep this. Models. I need to fix this eventually. Key tester. We can keep this. And let's wait. I haven't built anything for quite some time now. Yeah, at work as well. Like, did you go full vibe coding at work? We're not disclosing where you work and what you do, but I'd like to know. What's this little piggy doing? Ah, God, I need to speed up the checks. So I switched to TSGo for type checking, and it's really good. It's like, the only problem it has is that it doesn't implement more advanced things like decorators, but otherwise I 100% recommend TSGo to anybody who actually cares about types. At work I'm just reviewing and managing code, but in private I'm like 9. Yeah, TSGo is really good. So at work, do you review and manage code by people or by code? No, by code written by LLMs instructed by people that are your underlings. Programmable switch. What do you use the programmable switch for? I don't like vibe coding. I'm surgically yelling at the slot machine. Yeah, I'm also, as you see, I'm surgically yelling. I'm not at Peter's level of fully autonomous army that generates 100 million lines of code per day. My brain is too small for that. Lead backwards. Yeah, let's read it here. So change. Deletes the previous word. Deletes from cursor to start of line. Okay. Flashlight. Yeah, I found that not to work for myself, not reading all the code, because eventually in production it just breaks down and then I'm back to step one. So yeah, Peter is just doesn't give a single fuck. But I'm not building any spaceships either, so any complicated products like Peter does, I build tiny little things that are easy to read and don't have too many features because they also don't have any users, so that's fine. Agent does, but it's clever, sometimes framed at pure. Yeah, I'm not envying you, but you'll get it done. I need to check actually. I checked statistics last week and it was briefly broken, I think. Oh, I need to relog in. Like, I didn't get any insights and Explorer's broken and so on and so forth. but it seems to be back to a working state, which is nice. Insights. Everybody who watches this must sign up immediately. It not good right now, updated to Next.js 16. Yeah, why would you do that? Why would you update? Timeline. Actually did I actually sign up, or is this all the free shit we're getting from Peter? You should totally, like, oh, I see. Where is it? I can't go back to pricing settings. Billing. Oh yeah, there's the pricing. Do you want to share any user stats? Do you have active users, or is it basically still semi-stealth mode with just a handful of people checking in all the time? It's pretty impressive. Like, there's so much stuff. I don't even know what half of it is, but Friendymizer. Yeah, Friendymizer is nice. That one I checked out earlier. Ah, interesting. It's pretty cool. So let's see. Control K, delete to end of line. Control C, clear editor, tab, path completion, enter, blah, blah, blah. Control delete sound of line. Yeah, we should all delete ourselves and then throw our computers in the garbage. Neat. Oh, peekaboo, still a thing. Cool. I'm sorry. The stream crashes your Fairphone. Yeah. That's indeed an interesting bug. So we still need delete. Oopsie. We still need delete full line. I think. What's the standard Unix key code for that? Kernel panic? That's pretty amazing. I suppose the GPU driver is fucking up decoding the video and taking everything down with it. Delete previous line components and shell. Many people use then Control K to delete full line. Like uses bind twice for custom bindings. There's no baked in delete whole line control like. Everywhere. The most unique C particular way to delete. Okay. This is a test and then control U. So, but it seems like do we have a okay, interesting. Well, then let's look at the user requirements. Alt backspace doesn't delete the word. Command control. Whoopsie. Command control backspace doesn't delete the whole sentence. Actually, so control plus backspace deleting the whole. Nope, because let me show you why I did not add MCP support. I should put a link to MC Porter in there. MCP. Pi does and will not support MCP. I'm basically just telling people to do this instead. Write a fucking README, write your tool in whatever language, and then point your agent at that fucking README. And down here, I should have a big fat link to MC Porter if you really need MCP support. I don't care. I don't use MCP myself, so it's not gonna get added. If somebody wants it, they can add it themselves. It's trivial. Yeah, so control gets mapped. I wonder what Codex does. Codex seems to be much more aligned with standard Unixy TUI stuff. No, that's not it. There we go. Codex. This is a test. Command backspace. Uh-huh. This is a test, and let's see what it does here. Yeah. Command plus backspace works like control plus U. Can we add that? At least in Ghosty it does. Let's see what it does in iTerm. Oh god. I should go to bed. Yeah, it doesn't work in iTerm. Interesting. Working. Interesting that this doesn't work. Yeah, because iTerm swallows the command key. So then we should have control U work. Yep, that works. Wow, iTerm is such garbage. Let's go. In the editor, if you see control U code, or it goes to command backspace sequence, you just call the mapping command space to matching on char code to reworking as control U. Oh, is it? Interesting. Let's see. I shouldn't have done that. That was stupid. There we go. Yeah, that works. Yep, cool. Okay, ghosty rules. Can we have a go back to this message and branch from here? Yeah, I actually wanted to implement that. I'm not sure if I have an issue for that, but that's actually useful. So this will get added on top of message queuing. Okay, well, let's add this. Branching support. Press escape twice. Show selector displaying all user messages starting from the bottom. If user selects message or last user message, create a new session in the background and reload from there. Let's see. Actually, we can implement that next. Damn, I'm burning through my GPT credits. Okay, I think then we're done here. Let me just do a quick check on the change log. Start of line, third line. Yeah, that's fine. Readme, let's see. Actually, we should say that in ghosty. This is what I wanted. So let's see, this is a app. I also want option backspace to delete the word. So word. Oh yeah, F7, escape plus delete concretely. Yeah, I'm warming up to GPT 5.1. This is actually really good. I don't know what goes to sense for that. Okay. God damn it, Mr. Januszka, I forgot your given name again. Hari? God damn it. I'm so bad with names. Anyways, you were using this shit on Linux, right? Can you tell me what terminal and shell you're using? Yeah, I'm sorry, Helmut. God damn it. Oh, so sorry. See, if we met in real life, that would be different. Oh, Kitty. Okay. I should get Kitty. Why are you using Kitty instead of Ghosty? Oh, this looks very bare bones, which I like. But why is there no download button immediately? I don't want to read this. Binary install instructions. Curl. I don't want a curl fucking app. Come on. Standard location. Sally J. Huh, interesting. Yeah, I don't like this. Manual installation. Oh, there's a GitHub release page. Good. I like this much more. Kitty Darwin executable. Wow, it's big. Why is it so big? Not signed. Interesting. I hate the security theater bullshit by macOS and Apple. It's so fucking annoying. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna take this away eventually from us. Oh wow. What the fuck? Okay. It just opened the binary. Permission denied. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Subsys launcher for running original kittens. Each kitten can be run as a kitten command. The list of available kittens is given below. I downloaded the wrong thing. Yeah, should have taken that one. Kill everything with fire. Where's the DMG? There's no DMG here. Oh, 73 assets. God fucking signature. There's DMG. You build it from source. Oh, the DMG is even bigger. Why are people building such humongous? The logo is ugly. Straight up my alley. My logo is also 200 megabytes, 150 megabytes. Wow. Enabling old man mode. So let's see if this works. This is a... Oh, wow. This just gives me that. Okay. Control U. This is a test. Control K. Yeah, it works. Perfect. So we good. Change in Control E, delete backwards, off some backspace. Okay. Put that in the readme md and change log and call out that. Cool. What was it? Option. Yeah, do you have a download for me for the Chromium build? I will need to adjust Zeitgeist, which could take a little while, but yeah. Maybe don't DM, send me an email with the link to contact@mariosechner.at. Well, that means I need to open my Twitter DMs on stream, and I don't want to open my Twitter DMs on stream because other people might not be happy if I shared that. It has gist with Zeitgeist changes. Well, Okay. I need to add word wrapping to the markdown component. I've kind of hated the way it works now. But it's complicated and the LLMs aren't really good at it. Man, GPT 5.1, you're really fast. Let's kill all the things. Oh, that was the wrong one. Totally. Now we need to stream. There we go. I think I got the email. I heard a ping in the bong. Let me just clean up my inboxes. There we go. So how many viruses will I get? Why are you using vTransfer? Isn't that Chinese? Installing a super secret Chromium build. Who liked this? Ah. It didn't do the comments, right? Memory please. What? I'm not allowed to run git commit and push a modifier directly from here. What? Oh no. GPT-5 turned stupid. Okay, let's see. Claude. I shouldn't have questioned you. That's not right. Yeah, I wish Claude had like 400k context window like GPT. Don't you have a private server? How do you finance your token-based slot machine private usage? I just get money from things I do and then I put them in the slot machine. For Claude, I have the max subscription, which works with Pi out of the box. And in case of OpenAI, I just actually interesting. What's it? Developer.openai? No, platform.openai. Platform.openai. For OpenAI, I just pay per token, I think. Usage. Let's see how much this wasted. Now I would need to know which key I used, or can I get a default project? It's probably default project. Yeah, that sounds about right. Total spend. No, I don't know which token I used, so I can't see the stats there. Committed and pushed, and commented on the little sentence. Okay. Let's go back here. Yeah, this looks good. And support. Okay, the other one closed. Feature request, support option, delete for whole word deletion. Ah, okay, this one got closed by the user. Doesn't delete word. Okay, look good. And then we just do a new release. Let's see what we are at. 7.8. Okay. I'm not sure I put that in the agent MD version patch update. Move everything from to new. Yep. Add a new empty unreleased section at the top. Commit the version and pump. Yep. Publish to npm. This runs follow. Yep. Still like I fixed typos in the prompt. Yeah, so for me, I do fix the typos in the prompt because sometimes I actually talk to people via text. And if I get too used to not fixing the typos, especially given my dyslexia, my communication with humans gets even worse. So I keep correcting my prompts. That's the explanation. Let's see, where is the downloads? Chromium zip. Oh, I'm gonna get the best viruses. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah. I'm not sure the build works. I'm sorry to report. Let's see, privacy and security. Privacy. I like that my logo is still this bullshit. Wow, I hate this so much. Privacy. There we go. Yeah, nope, it's not an issue with permissions. So I'm sorry to say your Chrome build is broken. Let's see if I can get more info on that. Huh. Yeah, packaging sucks. I just wonder. Why am I using Claude? There we go. Ah. Yeah, because it was a zip, that's why. Oh, it works. That was quick. I actually wonder how fast Claude would be. Let's see. Claude code, that is. At the gene attribute back. Because this literally took no time. Okay. So let's try the same thing with Claude and use the same prompt. What? Okay. I like this. Super good. Yeah, I think the quarantine seems to be wrong with their errors. Let me kill and check for details. Adding back the quarantine attribute didn't work, so actually this is how we fix it. I just want to test how much faster it is or slower. CL. Oh, it goes through code signing. Interesting. Yeah, it found a quarantine bed. It code signs the thing. I guess it can do that. There was a quarantine attribute download from me. Yeah, why do you ask me for solutions? Yeah, I don't care. This is very annoying. So, well, I mean, this was a trivial test. Again, I wouldn't. Oh god, now I need to remove the fucking bit again. Remove the quarantine flag from. Ah, god damn it. Yep, I'm so lazy because I can't remember this shit at all. So, okay, so let's start your Chromium thingy. Yeah, sure. No. 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 What's the extension? Where are the extensions? Chrome. Oh, we're already in developer mode. That's helpful. Oh, you know what? So I fucked around with the packages that Zeitgeist needs because they're built on the same infrastructure than Pi did the coding agent. And it could be that the Zeitgeist is currently broken. That's the last build. And that works. Grant permission. Details. Oh wow, it's laggy. Is it like a debug build? Cycra. What? That's new. Come on. What the fuck? Yeah, wow, it's super slow. Go to Hacker News and tell me what the top 3 submissions are currently. Oh my god, now I need to expose my API key. Yeah, I can't do this on stream, I'm sorry. Yeah, I have all the AI stuff, but I also have a data crunch, so if push comes to shove, I'm just gonna run GLM on an 8 GPU cluster on data crunch. Pay like 2,000 euros a month just for that privilege. It's not so much more than 200 for a Mac subscription or a GPT Pro, right? Okay, I need to see if this actually worked. npm install g Mario Zechner, Repsi Zechner, and Pi coding agent. Pi? And look how nice. It actually shows me the fucking changelog, like proper software. That's so nice. Does it work still? Yep. Yeah, I like this. This works. Good job. Good job, GPT-5 and Sonnet. What else do we need? So those issues have been fixed, and now let's see if we can unfuck Zeitgeist. We're still running this background, yeah, but we don't need this. Okay. Yeah, I have a bunch of shit to fix before I can rewrite the little engine that runs code in the what was it called? It's been a while. Let's see. Browser? No, what did I call it? REPL. REPL. There we go. Oh, let's see. Wrong email. Okay, nochmal Doku. Oh, this is very nice. Yeah, it probably hasn't diverged because I haven't worked on Zeitgeist in a while. It does the thing, and I waited for getting access to Stripe payments. So the merchant of record shit that they now have. And I just got that a couple of days ago, and I haven't worked on it since then. Same track of separate cancel function is an approach from Mario's code. The fixed world with CSP. Yep. Execution ID. Interesting. So I need to try a UID of execution, since execute is run with a wait. Yeah, that is totally fine. Chip. Cancel running execution is being called from UI. Yeah, it didn't understand how that works, but that's fine. Cancel active execution. So let's see. I get the sandbox ID and then interesting. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, this is nice. I like that. Yeah. So this I actually wonder, do I pass through the signal here somewhere? Yep, I pass through the signal here. And I'm not sure I can register a listener on that. Let's see, do we do anything with the signal? Oh yeah, I pass it to the sandbox. That doesn't do anything with... Oh yeah, we can add an event listener here. And then in the port completed true. Yeah, it would take me a while to wire this up. Also, you see this here. I'm a very smart person, so I reworked my web UI component library, and now I need to unfuck all of this shit. And even with an LLM, that takes a little while. And I'm not gonna bother with this on the stream now. But what we can do... I like that my stupid chat app says writes out the emoji names instead of displaying the emojis, so slightly smiling face. Yep, cool. I'm gonna give it a try. How high do you think are the chances that this gets into an official Chrome build within, say, the next year? Or how high do you think is the likelihood of this cross-browser agreement extension working group bullshit going through? High chance of getting this in. Really, if you show ad blockers, you think the Google people will let it get in? Yeah, cool. Then I can try to... I just wonder. I can add a flag in Zeitgeist that will enable a code path that uses this fancy new API instead of the regular one, where I don't get an abort. Yeah, I guess that's a better argument, preventing browser from infinite looping. On the other hand, people might not like LLMs injecting code into any old page, so. Yeah, exactly. I can just check if that's available and then do the needful thing. I have to play around with... No, actually, this is actually not that hard to get going, I think. I would... Yeah, I haven't looked at that code in a while, so I have to go back in and figure it out. But it shouldn't be too hard to make this work, both with the official releases we have now and with your fancy build as a prototype. I see. I should have some time tomorrow to work on this. I need to get back into Zeitgeist anyways now that I have the Stripe shit. So yeah, cool. Okay, I think what I'm going to implement now, and then I will go to bed, is the branching support, because that should be pretty easy. Do we? Yeah, I think we can. Yeah, actually Sonnet is also pretty fast, I would say. No, chat is not broken. I can still see you. Maybe you didn't hear me. Maybe I broke my microphone. Oh, interesting. What was your last message? Let's see. I have a control here. Nope. That's also what I'm seeing in my little fucky thing here. Wow, I wonder what the fuck it did just use a message selector. Why? What the fuck? Oh yeah, that looks good. Max visible. Session selector, no thinking selector. Skip the YouTube sensors. Try to send again. Yeah, nothing comes. If the Chromium change does not land, we can ship a sidecast Chromium fork and raise money and sell it as yet another A-press. Yeah, we could easily get a couple dozen mil for that. Yeah, it is indeed ridiculous. I wonder what word or part of your message is trying to censor. Maybe sidecast. Let's see, custom editor. intercept escape key, but only if autocomplete is not active. Oh yeah. Double skip to within. Actually, no. This is not what we want. Stop. We actually. Fork and install run sidecache by default was and screenshot by email. I wonder I could actually give you access to the sidecache repository if you want to fuck around with it. But then you know all my dirty secrets, which is I cannot code. Awesome. So let's go back and check some diffs. Side hustle, yeah. This looks good to me. Yeah, this looks good. What's happening here? User message select a component branch. Yep. What did you? No. This looks good. State messages. Turn a message only. Oh, nice. It even got that edge case. Okay, and then session will create branch session. Oh, I'm very interested in knowing how that is implemented. The session file, truncate message in agent state. Is this what we want? Yeah, this is actually good. Chat. First user message. True. Yep, this looks good. Show confirmation message. Yep. Yep, that looks good. And create branch session. Session header. Branch from index. New session file. I have enough slot machines running, set branch my name, switch my name. Why would you specify a name? Use the branch command, select appears shown on user messages. Let's see. Checks worked. Ah, got. Continue. Then branch. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I should use this. Chip. Package, coding, source, CLI, C. Big idea. And in between I have plan A and plan B. Yeah. Then the question is, where do we display the name of the branch? Yeah, this is too complex for me. All I really want to do is take the current session, go back a little bit, and continue from there. I don't keep sessions around as stores for information. I barely revive old sessions, so. But let's see. Let's see what it does, if it actually works. Ah, yeah, keyboard input. Continue. Okay. So cursor movement is backwards. I think we should not reverse the order, but instead set the last item as selected in the selector. Yeah, maybe for a future release. But this is actually an interesting idea. I wonder. I just want to. So I'm not sure if I have a personal use for that. So my don't save. My rule is basically I only implement what I need. And branch, like it is now, is basically what I need. Let's see if it works. Huh? Oh, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, this is not how it should work. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, but the way it should work is that the user message I select should go into the editor. So let's see. Now I need to resume that piggy. Why are there 102 messages in this one? Oh yeah, because it generated so many more in between, I guess. Yep. Okay. I hate that some of the business logic is in the TUI renderer. It shouldn't be there, but First message selected in is not like a webcam French before the right message up to include functions pass, not the branch feature works as specified. Okay, let's see. Very nice. I like your idea. It just means that as a user, you should be able to assign a name to the current session. Yeah. Can you maybe open an issue over here? So this one we want. Final check. Yep. Yeah, this one we already checked. Yep, looks good. But see, this is all the code that was needed, and there's not a lot. Most of it is just the UI shit. So I wonder why other fucking coding CLIs. Oh wow, did I just undo a thing? I think I did. Oh no, it was. Should be good. Let's see. Yeah, this looks good. Added branch command for creating conversation branch. Open selector showing only user individual or selecting message creates a new session with format before the selected one. Yep. This is good. Good. Yep, we already checked that one, and this is good too. And then the readme branch create a new conversation branch. If I was losing your current session, yeah, I think this is good enough. Oh my god. I'm sorry, apparently the auto scroll is broken now. Something like that. I have a project where I'd love to keep my session around whole year, and on Monday fix the issue based on knowledge context from past, and on Tuesday go back to a fresh state. Just git the thread discussion. Yeah, sure. Please just open an issue on GitHub for this idea, and then we can develop it there. I'm gonna quit now anyways. I'm just gonna do another release real quick. All right, time for another release. Let me first how you do it. I should totally put the release notes in the. Oh, I think I already have them in the fucking. What plan is this? Price and model system. Oh, this is Zeitgeist shit. Yeah. Agents. Nope. Readme. Release. Yeah, looks good. So. Yeah, should do it. God damn it, my finger is falling off again. And of course it has to happen on a weekend. Goody good. Just open an issue whenever you find time, and then we can discuss it. Thanks for your input, really helpful. Coolio, bye. It's fine, I'll find it later. Yep. Yes, they definitely hate you. Ah shit, I should get rid of the try. Fuck that. Ooh, that was probably not a good idea during a publish. Nope, should work. Okay. Final check, and then we go to bed. Looks good. Yep, cool. Cool. Yeah, I think with this, we're gonna go to bed. Thanks everyone watching. Have a nice one and bye.